This is a favorite of a lot of fellow YouTubers, these bell clusters. This one I had repaired last year, so let's see what happens. This one's slightly newer. Looks like all three bulbs have lit up. See if they will twinkle. Oh yeah, there's that nice lovely twinkle. That nice ting those vintage twinkle bulbs have. And then with these, what I like to do is polish them up with the Nova's plastic polish, which I have it right here ready to go. But I guess that middle one will eventually go, but trying to keep this video down a little bit in time, which is probably going to be a pretty long video, but that's okay. Let us try the second one. This is again the older one that I repaired last year. All three bulbs light up. There we go. That's a good one. That's the one I was thinking was in that other one. If I knew what brand of those were and when they were made, I'd like to get some more of those. And the center one on this one is lagging behind as well. But yep, that works. No repairs needed at this time. Now for my Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. This one also had a socket go bad when I first got it. It shot sparks, so that was a catastrophic failure. This one right here. But it's all good now. That one's got a nice sound to it as well, that Happy New Year one. But I'm going to go ahead and get them polished up with the Novus, and these will be ready for service. And about 10 minutes worth of polishing on these bells. I've got them all polished out, looking good and ready for the season.